GLE is at its core a problem-solving company. People come to us when they have things no one else can do.
We are a high-precision grinding facility. We are a facility that specializes in doing the absurd. We work with carbides, we work with ceramics, hardened steel. We work with precision. That's different than what you see with a lot of different manufacturers. Everybody has their understanding of what precision is.
We completely redefine this. We're looking at parts that are smaller than a human hair. I'm looking at thousands of inches in size.
We have the equipment from A to Z, whether it be steel equipment, right through your grinding equipment, your EDM equipment, laser equipment. We do it in-house with experienced operators. Our operators average about 21 years, and so that allows them to use that experience in doing stuff that other people cannot do. That's what sets us apart.
When customers call GLE, they're going to speak to an actual person. They're going to work with the right individuals on the floor to figure out how to solve that problem for their project and get back with them in the same day.
It's surface finish, it's tight tolerance or extreme precision, and small parts. Those items are what we sell. Maybe it's a surface finish with a 4 to 0 micro finish on it. Or maybe it's an extreme tolerance that's going down to perhaps 3 millionths round, or even a small hole as small as 2,000ths. So we're working with individuals that have those needs, that are developing the next tech on cutting edge technology. I mean, we've had stuff in this facility that we worked on for NASA that's been, on space shuttle missions. Creative industry leaders come to us and they've got a thought and they have a vision, and we help them bring that vision into reality.